This is March 2nd, and here's what's growing in my garden right now here in Zone 5. There's a few things that are actually coming up already. There's a very few things that are coming up already. This is, these are crocuses. And there's some more. They'll be blooming here before you know it. This is those alpine strawberries right here. Isn't it? Here's some more growing down in there. You can see them coming up right there. Here's some more crocuses right here. And here's some poppies. Here. There's poppies right there. There's a whole bunch of them. Hopefully there's going to be a whole bunch of poppies out here this year. There's a whole bunch of poppies in here. There's going to be a lot of poppies in here this year. Here's some more crocuses. Look at that. These tulips coming up right there. Or daffodils. There's more daffodils coming up. Okay, there are very few things. These irises, I think they stay green like that all winter